Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to delete your Instagram account temporarily. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile and then head over to the menu icon on the top right and then go to account center. From here, go to personal details in the account settings section. Go to account ownership and control. Select the activation or deletion option. From here, select your Instagram account and then tap on delete account or select it. It says when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. So if you'd just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So tap on continue as we want to delete our account. Now just choose any thing that you are using for deleting account. Then tap on continue. Tap on continue again. And before you delete, you can download your information, transfer a copy of your information, or you can try to keep your Instagram account and deactivate instead. So as we want to delete your account temporarily, tapping on continue. So here you have to give your Instagram account's password and then your account will be deactivated. So there is a 30-day buffer period of deleting an Instagram account. So once you delete it, there is a 30-day time if you change your mind. So you'll just have to use your email and password to log back in. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out. Hope to see you in the next video.